Thursday afternoon, me and John will be going to IKEA. Why I want to go there? I need to buy something. Just follow me. John, I say. IKEA. You like it? Oh, John, you like that. Why you don't want to buy that? Oh, again and again. John doesn't have any money. Oh, John, you like that? Oh. Hello. IKEA. This one is a balcony, John. Yeah, in balcony. Yeah, you can see a view. Why I'm here? Why we are here? Because I need to buy mattresses. Want a little room, new mattress, which has to be very comfortable for my guests. And another one to another bed, single bed, 2 single beds. That's why I'm here. Continue to follow me, guys. Well, show that you lie down, John. Do you like this couch?
No.
You don't?
I'll get up.
John cannot get up. No, I don't like noise. Okay, let's go, John. Okay, let's go. Continue to walk. There's plenty of chairs, different kind, different colors. And this is couches. I don't like colors. I like bright and colorful. It's very gray. Do you like colors, John? Do you like colors?
No.
You don't. So we continue to walk around. A lot of candles you can buy. 79, 104, 20. 20. IKEA in Malmö. Oh, this one, John, what is that? It's a bed sofa extra. This is, you see? Oh, okay. This is couch, extra couch. Quite soft. No, I need for single bed. Yeah, I know, for single bed, not for single bed. No, we go there where are only mattresses. Living room.
big room, very small.
Вот. Вот его. Office. It's offices. All offices here. Different kind of kitchen. You can see here. Dining room, beautiful. With laps hanging like a noodles or spaghetti. High table with high chairs. Big kitchen. And another kitchen. Wonderful. A little kitchen. Washing machine over there, laundry. Little kitchen.
Doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby. Losing my mind. Don't try to save
All these kitchen tables. Dining rooms.
my world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride.
White,
Yes,
black
I'm
in
an
there.
emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get. To love an emotional mess.
See the prices in Swedish krona. Wood means stable. 499 Swedish krona.
I'm in a trance.
Cheers and again. Four people.
Don't know of this dancing.
go in IKEA in Malmö? Walk with me, continue to walk. I'm here. Where's the beds? Oh, this is wonderful color. This is my colors. Big, beautiful bedroom. Mattresses, you can see the prices, 90 to 100, it's too big, 80 quite small. And I'm gonna buy this mattress. The size is 90 centimeters. Children. Cafe restaurant, meatballs, Swedish meatballs here. And John is over there waiting for me. Do you pick it up mattress?
Yeah.
which I'm gonna buy. But before I'm gonna pick mattress up, I need to buy cover for mattress. Bed things here, the kitchen things, knives. Anybody wants to buy knives? Good knives. No. This for windows, John. Curtains. No, I don't need the trolley. Trolley downstairs. No. Oh, this one is good as well to buy. This one. Protection. No, this one is better. Protection. No. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Oh, mattress. How to say in English? Mattress.
It's underneath.
How to say mattress sheet?
Look, it says underneath.
A mattress protector. Or it's gonna be like this.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
It's easier to no 90 I need. It's easier to wash, so I'm gonna buy
each
like
and every
this.
day. The past
It's
is
fit.
where it stays.
No, it's
Way
not.
back a year ago.
And I'm gonna buy those protector.
I've changed for the
Mattress
better
protector.
this time. I
Yes,
thought I would
like that.
never be fine.
And
I
it
strive
costs
just to say I'm alright.
129.
And for the first
like
time
that.
in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change.
I'm very happy to choose mattress and protector.
Some things are
And
not
I
the
hope
same
it's
as
gonna
they
be
were a
alright.
year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past
these
is where it
lamps.
stays. Way back a year ago.
Lamps, IKEA. Carpets.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going life.
Like
Still
this
nobody
colors,
knows, but
like
I'ma choose what's
colors.
right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back
And
no
now
more.
we
Seen a lot of change. Been through a
don't just say
lot of
love it
pain.
in English.
Some things are not the
Love it
same
in English.
as they were a year ago.
Warehouse or
All
will
be okay.
Because you know.
I move on each and every day. The past is where
Sometimes
it
I'm forgetting
stays.
words.
Way back a year
So
ago.
we're looking for mattress. Nice warehouse.
like a year ago.
These are all mattresses here, and we have this 29.67. Continue to walk. Sorry? This one. This guy's mattress 67, and the size has to be 80, John, not 90. This is 90. We found finally. Yeah. This one. 8200 centimeters. 2395. Swedish krona over here. And we're gonna carry this like that, like this holder. It's very heavy, guys. How many kilograms it is?
Too much.
How many?
For longer.
Then we have to take a taxi. It's very heavy. So I'm gonna buy this. I'm going to buy this and go the taxi. Self-pain. Happy, John?
I'll pay for
Look.
the taxi. You call the taxi now.
Call the taxi. I call the taxi. He pay for taxi, and I pay for mattress and other things.
Joel the taxi.
Jolly taxi, la 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 la, jolly taxi. I'm so happy.
Stella, like this.
Guys, thank you for watching, and who watching, forgot to subscribe please, like, and see you soon, guys. I love you all. Thank you. Bye. La bonne vie. Happy Easter.
Hallå, vi har inte fått ett 30 kilo. Nej, men de är fan inga.